yani udah publingnya kemen gijing chamyong nga hagani ga lockdown an bha saja bha u kret mas man saja bha u concentrate lagi studies yang ne bha u buon distractions ka empor slack off tang wa kaptele da pachang be side by yo tamte record man yo man consistent ma record ne bha consistency is key actually ma in especially in studies consistency is the key the hey liang yang cái message lagi para naskor qua ông chan không to cái jing crash tom hard work ma ne bha cái jing crash tom new ko chi tom che one lại ne cái ông ka tu consistency the ne cái Hepor kami hepor em gini lockdown em cam ha self control em cam ha self control ne ha dalam em self control em hini por sejam ha ma em man to em hepor dang life school em man life school em get a sense of accountability ma em ha man life school tau you man tau em ga da man ko ni ke tam te em go competition the like the one the opa aro ong di na to man interested sa hagi studies yang phi le bha le dem em ge interest sejak ha le bha kamta sa sejak ha oi chi ka
If we put our trust in Him at all times, He will never let us down. And if we do our homework right, keeping in mind the love of God in our heart, to love our students, to love the parents of our students the way God loved us, I think there's no other way to achieve success than to practice that. And basically, I have tried to give my life, try to give my love to my students just like I would give to my own children at home. There was nothing that I would reserve, that I would not give my children, which I would not give my students. Whatever the best that I can give my children at home, the same thing I would give to my students at school. They were my children as well. So I believe most of the success of Not Liberty till today is because we give our students the best that we have. I don't say that we have the best, but we give the best that we have, and we make sure we use all the infrastructure, everything that we have, we use it to the max. And that is one of the reasons why we achieve success. And we have parents who are very, very caring for their children as well. Like Lugi, I would like to say and mention that a lot of his success comes from his parents. His parents care for him so much. Even though they are not with him when he studies, but I believe that they always watch and monitor him, and they are there for him whenever he needs him. And I believe all the teachers in the school are there for all the students, and Lugi is one of them. So the teachers is another very important thing that Not Liberty has. We may not have the best teachers in the world, but we have teachers who try their best. They try to give the best that they have to their children. And even in our teachers meeting, we are always reminded to give the students the best and only the best. And I'm so happy today. When the pandemic started, I thought that how could we teach our children, especially class 10 and class 12? But with the help of God, guidance of God, and also looking at what other people do in other states of India, following their footsteps, we have been able to guide our students. But there's one thing I would like to say and encourage the students who are listening to this broadcast, that do not take online classes lightly. Don't think that you cannot do it. Everybody can do it. If those people who are sitting in the market can use the phone and watch movies, you can also use your phone to watch video lectures of your teachers. And there's so much of material available on the net if you know how to use it wisely. And as Lugi had mentioned, we have to be disciplined. We have to be able to filter what we use and what we don't use in the internet. So I thank every teacher, every parent, and above all, I thank God for the success that our students were able to get in this exam. And I hope they will get in the exams to come also if they work hard.